It is icy. We're going to throw the chains on.
I don't think we could get out even if we wanted to.
Yeah, it's pretty busy in this car park, isn't it? Lamb wraps. Lamb tacos. It's very windy. Oh gee, that wind. Alrighty, good morning.
Good morning.
It's just before 7 a.m. and we've just gotten out of bed, super fast, thrown some clothes on, and we're going to attempt to head up the mountain for some snow action today. So we're anticipating ice on the road.
It'll be our first time up there this season. Fingers crossed the wind's a bit better today and yeah, we can finally do some snowboarding.
Yeah, it was super windy last night. We were getting gusts of nearly 100 kilometers an hour last night on this hill. I didn't get much sleep actually.
I should get much sleep in.
Alright, let's jump in, let's hit the road because we've got to be fast. Okay, it is icy. We're going to throw the chains on.
So yeah, definitely icy. Oh, they're so dirty from all the mud.
Alrighty, jump in. Oh, my hands are frozen.
Oh.
Alrighty, we're parked in. When we come up here, we tend to park as close to the edge of the car park as possible, right up against the snowbank. It's because we're so big, so give them some space, give us some space. So today, it's looking very windy. At the moment, it's a bit of a whiteout, so I'm not sure what's going to happen.
The pass we have this year, it's not unlimited. We have to pick our days pretty well. So we're just up to see what the wind's like and if it's going to get better as the day goes on. And if it does, then we might go up.
Yep.
There's no difference between hanging out here and hanging out at the bush camp. So
maybe we'll have some porridge for breakfast. Turn the heater on, stay warm. Hopefully the wind subsides. So when we do come up the mountain, we roll straight out of bed and into the cab and hit the road. So we haven't had our morning coffee yet. We're a little worried. There's not a lot of coffee beans left. We have 3 mornings worth of coffee, so we have to really enjoy this because we're planning on being up the mountain the rest of the week. Oh, there's a big rig coming in next to us. One of the cool things about hanging out here is you get some serious machines rolling in, like big vans, 4-wheel drive vans, some big 4-wheel drive trucks, all the toys attached. I think that's one of the nice things about coming up in your van is you can just get here early enough and you can just chill out for a bit. We've got another van neighbour who's rolled in next to us, although I don't like his chances of getting out where he is. He parked in the bit that we didn't want to park in because we can't drive out of his spot, but he's got a van. So if he gets parked in, he can just hang out in his van. So if this is a bit of a fail and if the lifts don't open today, we'll probably just head back down to camp, snag a nice spot in amongst the trees.
because last night was tough sleeping.
Yeah, last night was tough. It was windy all night.
It was so windy. Oh
like
my God.
70, 80, 90 kilometre an hour gusts, steady 50 kilometre an hour wind speed.
Yes.
And you could hear it coming every time the wind came through. You'd hear it coming, like roaring up through the valley, through the treetops, and then it would just hit you like a wall.
There were a couple of tents near us.
Oh yeah, some tents got squashed.
Oh, that would suck.
Some guy came back from the slopes at like 4 p.m. to find his tent like flattened on the ground. And someone lost a tarp. We saw a tarp at one point just sort of flying away. Yeah, it was a bit chaotic last night. Yeah.
Still waiting on the lifts. I think I just had a look. They're still on hold. We're just hanging out, having some brekkie, doing a bit of work. It's pretty warm up here, to be honest.
Oh, I think it's like -1. Quad chair is still shut. There's a lot of lifts closed.
Well, we've had our brekkie and we're going to go have a little sticky beak. We'll go to the toilet. Still pretty early. I think it's like 9 o'clock.
Gee, it's only 11 degrees in here. It's 11 degrees in
That's
here.
not bad.
It's cold.
I think under
I
10.
told you it was cold
Under
in
10
here.
is cold. I don't know. I'm hot.
Ready?
Yeah. I'm ready.
Oh, the door's frozen shut nearly.
Really?
Okay, so the lifts are still on hold, so we're going to go back to the van. We're going to get some money and we're going to have a coffee. Yeah, everything's on hold, man. It doesn't feel that windy down here, which could be horrible up the top of the hill. That's a nice van over there. Big jacked up 4x4 van. I want four-wheel drive.
160 grand later.
Yeah. Home sweet home, Sash. This is our neighbour over here. So we're just getting Sash's phone and my phone so we can pay for some stuff. Got everything you need? Oh, what's going on here? Yeah, we got distracted for a second there. Someone got stuck in the snow. They drove up into the deep snow. It's pretty funny too because the vehicle they're driving is the one that's sponsored by, well, that sponsors Perisher.
One of the actual sponsor vehicles.
That's
why they were up there.
That's even more embarrassing. Okay, so we're on a bit of a wild goose chase here, looking for somewhere to get a coffee. And two places are shut so far, so we're going to head back to the original building we're at. Thank you.
One of our favourite chairs just opened, which connects us to kind of the areas that we like to hang out in. So it might be open.
Might be on. Oh man, that's so satisfying. So satisfying watching that. Alrighty, you ready?
Should we get out here?
Yep. Alrighty.
Can we each
Oh, look at this. The shirt matches.
Oh, mate.
That's so funny. It's like the exact same purple.
I haven't worn these in 2 years. I guess I've been going a bit hard at the gym and my quads are like, they're so tight. Actually, the waist is really loose as well. They keep falling down on the waist.
Tight. Gloves. It's a bit of an effort getting all your gear on in a small space like this. Thank you. Let's go. Alright, well, this is the tricky bit. So we're going to see you guys at the top of the hill once we get off the lift and get our sea legs. All set?
Yeah. Angle.
Alrighty, it's pretty windy up here. I don't know if the camera's going to pick this up,
Yeah.
and it's going to be windy up ahead too. So we're not going to film too long because it's bloody cold up there. Super quiet over here.
I don't think anyone's coming over here.
No one knows about this run. Everyone's in the toilet in the dunnies.
Why are you so close? This chairlift is always cold. The wind just cuts through.
It's nice though because it's a double. So it's just you and me.
It's just us two.
Gee, it's hard to film. We're filming with Sasha's camera right now. It's not easy. I've lost her. I don't know where she's gone. Oh, filming with this, it's confusing the heck out of me. Oh, Oh, my hand's about to fall off. Okay, so we're heading back to the van, and my board needs adjusting. My stance is all out of whack, so we're gonna head back to the van, have some lunch. We're still so unco. It's like that first couple of runs is just like, whoa.
I don't think we could get out even if we wanted to.
Yeah, it's pretty busy in this car park, isn't it?
Mayhem.
Still snowing, which is good. Hey, What should we have for lunch?
Oh.
Baked beans, eggs, nothing fancy. Something nice and warm. I got some wet clothes here. That's the nice thing about having a shower is you can hang some things up to dry in your shower. Love it. Because it's hard, you know, you're in a van and things get wet. It's like, what do you do? And it's still raining outside. You haven't got a porch. You haven't got a dryer. You're having a little shower room. Starting to snow outside again. We've turned the heater on because we're actually getting cold in here. It's like 8-9 degrees in here.
So lunch is
Shakshuka? It's sort of like shakshuka.
baked beans with vegetables and eggs.
Yeah, so the
I
eggs,
wouldn't say shakshuka.
you make the baked beans and then you throw the eggs in and they get poached in with the bean mix. Looks nice and warm.
Yeah.
It's cold out there. Yeah, cold, man. I've adjusted my board. This is a new stance. I've not tried this stance. It's a much narrower stance. We'll give it a go. What have we got to lose? Let's go.
2 hours later.
Well, we're back. Sooner than we expected. They shut all the lifts early because the wind was getting too strong up there. Alright, so the plan now is to head back down the mountain, just a little ways. I think we're at 1,700 metres. We're going to head back down to where we were camping last night, which is, what, 1,300 metres? We've already got our snow chains fitted. We're not going to take them off. We're going to leave them on. I reckon we'll leave them on until we get to camp, probably. Oh, I'm hungry.
Hungry and I'm cold.
Yeah, I'm hungry and I'm cold as well.
The wind was just really cold.
Yeah, the wind up there was vicious.
Ooh.
There's nothing going on.
Action.
Whew. Alright, well, we're in a slightly different camp spot tonight. We've got this wicked rock next to us over here, protecting us from the wind, maybe.
Maybe.
All the other campers are still here. Someone's in the spot that we were in last night, so we don't mind because this one's pretty groovy. I like this one.
It's a nice spot.
This is a cool spot. Picturesque boulders situated around us. Are you hungry?
I'm starving.
Alright,
Early dinner.
we'll make a fire, get some dinner going.
Okay.
Alright, so this is our little camp spot for the night. It's pretty sweet. There's us, and we've got these two rocks, or this rock stacked on another rock, protecting us from the valley below if the wind does come in, and that's where the wind was coming from yesterday. I'm going to put the fire here, that way some of that warmth will reflect off of the rock there back towards us and we can stand around and stay warm. Sasha has made some homemade dough, and she's going to make some flatbreads with that. We've got some lamb steaks. We'll cook the lamb steaks on the fire, and we'll have like, what would you call that? Lamb
wraps.
Lamb wraps?
Lamb tacos.
Lamb tacos?
Maybe pickled onion again.
Yep, pickled onion would be good.
You know when you're so hungry that your brain just isn't working? That's my brain right now. And I can't think of what goes in a wrap. Not pumpkin. That's not going to work. There's carrot, capsicum, and some cabbage, and pickled onion. And I reckon that'll do. Actually, I might have a snack. I think it's a snack kind of afternoon. It's so cold. Oh. So something that we very much like to include when we have like tacos or wraps is some pickled onion, which is just sliced onion, lemon, salt. Can put chili in it, that's always nice. Can put garlic in it, that's always nice. But even just the salt and the lemon with some onion and let it like sit for a bit and they soften up. It's delicious and very good in tacos. Alrighty, wrap time, which is a bit of a messy job, but they are better when they're homemade. Now, don't be like me. Make sure to pull your dough out of the fridge a couple of hours before you want to cook with it, because that's why it is bouncing back on me.
It's taken a long time, but we've managed to get this fire going. It's very windy. Unfortunately, this rock is not doing much, but that's okay. So these are lamb steaks, which is a bit of a novelty for us. The wood that we purchased is wet, so it's a real struggle to get it going. Due to that, the last couple of nights we've been cooking like this with flames rather than getting the coals going, and it seems to do the job, and it tastes pretty good too. You just got to keep turning them. Oh gee, that wind. We're done. I have barbecue. Wow, that was tough. Cooking over the fire out there was tough tonight. That wood is just wet. Paid $17 for that bag of wood, and it's just been nothing but a hassle. Budget firewood, I reckon. Anyway, we got it cooked in the end. So it's been maybe like half an hour, and this is how soft the onions get when you pickle them. It doesn't cook them, but it takes kind of the rawness out of them and makes it really yummy. So yeah, that's can recommend. All right. Oh man, I've worked up an appetite today. Oh yeah, I'm hungry. Man, it's so nice that it's not windy tonight. I'm not sitting here rocking. Alrighty guys, we are pooped.
Same.
It's 7 o'clock. Wow.
We didn't sleep very well last night because of the wind.
Yeah, big day today.
Big day today.
A big first day on the slopes. And the first day is always the hardest. Yeah, man, I am knackered.
Your hair's knackered. Look at it.
My hair's knackered. Also, I smell like fire. Oh well, thank you very much for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.
See you guys.
See ya.